Good evening, everyone. Very happy to have all of you here. Thanks a lot
Good
for
evening, everyone.
gracing the occasion, the launch of the February edition of the e-magazine Power Talk. We're really, really delighted to have all of you here and very thankful to all of you to pen down your thoughts and write, especially for Power Talk in your area of expertise. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. Next article. Okay, this is Amod Anand. Amod Anand is the one startup that we have featured in this magazine. He has bootstrapped his project. So Amod is the founder of Loom Solar Private Limited, and he started 3 years ago in Faridabad in Delhi. He's an MBA graduate, and he's an ex-employee of Airtel. Currently, with his brother worked for Luminous India, and with his brother, he started this company called Loom Solar, and it's completely a bootstrapped or company, and with very minimum finances they started it. It's a very, very inspiring journey how he started it, and he's very kind of fixed in his mind that he would not want fundings, even though today he's 120 crores, and he would want to expand but still would want to keep investing his own money. So I think it's very important for other startups to know why he comes from that mind frame, and how important it is for any startup to consider staying bootstrapped for as long as possible. Great. So let's welcome Anand. Amod, are you here with us? Heartiest congratulations for doing so well. I think you are really set an example, and we are really, really proud of you the way you pulled off your company from a very well-paying job to be, independently handling with your business with your brother. I think this is really amazing. From a company of only 10 people, I think you have 100 plus employees today with you. Am I right?
Thank you so much. It was such a nice introduction, and I'm so grateful that I'm here, Archana ji, and I must thank to the other panelists also. I just heard Sundar ji, Digvijay ji, Yatin ji, Ruby Thapar ji, and all of them have given us kind, valuable inputs for a startup like us. We are in the very early stage of the business. We are in the fourth year, and I'm so happy that I have got this particular opportunity to talk among all of you, and I'm so glad. So my topic is to talk about the bootstrap. So I'll also always give the preference of the bootstrap, because this journey started with the bootstrap. I was working in Airtel, and during those time, it was a thought. I was in the early age of 30 and thought, what will I do if I go to 40? And so I was not finding any kind of the comfort zone. So something should be on. And during those times, this digital concept, digital marketing, and all people were talking about a startup, and here and there, and we thought we should do also, we should have something our own also, and we should start somewhere. So we tried all the model to read out through the Google, like all the information you find from the Google. You can get a funding, you can do bootstrap, you can do this, you can do that, but it's easy to read in the article, in the newspaper, in the Google, but it's very difficult to get some of the money. So that idea gave us some kind of the confidence, and I started saving some around 10-20% of my salary, and within 2-3 years I had some very small amount, and then we thought how to start, and I did not start, but it happened gradually in the job itself, and soon within a year, even we earn also some from the bootstrap, and I got lots of opportunity, and gradually I got so many ideas, and one of them idea was this particular Loom Solar. And I'll tell you what kind of the benefits for being a bootstrap, and what are the challenges we are facing currently. So the first of all big advantage for the being a bootstrap is this business we started with our hard money. So every time when we spend, we have to understand that this is my money, this is not my friend's money, this is not my relatives money, and this is not my investor money, this is my money. So how to spend, we have to very take care of that. The second advantage I get, that I have 100% ownership of this particular bootstrap. So I can take a very fast decision, because I am in the very early stage of the business. So I have to change my decision sometime very fast, and sometime we have to for a quick execution, we have to do so many things. So I am not dependent on any of the people. So that is the second advantage I get it. The third advantage I get it, that I can grow this business with the sustainability. Means I can start it slow, and once the business is stable, business is profitable, I can take it to the scalable level, I can grow fast. So these are the three big advantages I have got it, being in a bootstrap company. And I feel that if this business model was not available, people like me could not have started a company, and so far I must have in the job only. The challenges is also there in the bootstrap company. Like in the bootstrap company, you will not find what we call a kind of very skilled manpower. Is very challenging to find high paying people will not join you in the early stage of the business. The second challenge is we face a kind of good infrastructure, because you don't have so much additional money. Like in the people who get a funding, you see the wow kind of the offices. So you will not find the bootstrap company. And the third issue we find that in the bootstrap, that recognition takes a time, because if we are a small company, and if investor gives you a money, then tomorrow you get everything in the news, you do a party, everyone knows about this. But you bootstrap company, recognition takes a very long time. Like recently I heard about one Zerodha who became a $1 billion company. Then I see in all the newspaper earlier. I don't know how many people would know about this company. Similarly, there was a company called Backfit, which also around 200 and some crore revenue, and they also got some funding. And then people started knowing. Before getting a funding, nobody knows about the bootstrap. So people should. These are the traditional challenges, and people are facing. So this message from my side. And again, I'll say thank you to everyone, and to Archana ji also for giving this opportunity. And the kind of business we are in the solar business. So in the solar is a totally sustainable business, and and we are also part of the this economy, where our job and our mission is to provide electricity for all, and particularly the solar energy, renewable energy, where we are saying give a 24/7 power backup, or give electricity on an affordable cost. So that is the mission of our company. So again, thank you so much, Archana ji, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Amod. We wish you all the best. May you accomplish all your goals, and more power to you. Great. Congratulations.